Good morning, class. In last, we discussed the isomers in alcohol and the nomenclature of some alcohol compound. Today, we start the methods of preparation of alcohol. That means how we prepare alcohol from the different kinds of manner. Clear? So, first of all, this alcohol is obtained in a easy way by haloalkanes. Clear? That means the first we have the preparation of alcohol from haloalkane. Haloalkane. And what is haloalkane? So we all know that this RX type compound is known haloalkanes. This R is stand for the alkyl group and this X stand for halogen. So this is called haloalkanes. For suppose you have the RCl, this R is any alkyl group and this Cl is any halogen and this one is called the haloalkanes. Clear? So how we prepare alcohol from haloalkanes? When the haloalkane is boiled with the moist silver oxide, yeah, you have the aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. Then we obtain the alcohol from the haloalkanes. That means in general way, this RX, that means haloalkanes, when boiled with KOH, aqueous, because we know that in the last chapter from the haloalkanes and haloarenes, we have the two kind of KOH. One is alcoholic KOH and one is the aqueous KOH. So it is very necessary, very compulsory to write the form what you are using, the aqueous or the alcohol, because the alcoholic KOH give the another product with the haloalkanes. Clear? So this will form the ROH plus KX. ROH is alcohol and your KX is any halogen plus K. Clear? For you have the C2H5 Br plus KOH, this KOH, aqueous KOH, and giving C2H5 OH plus KBr. Clear? C2H5 OH and the KBr. This is your alcohol met at ethanol. Clear? So you prepare your desired alcohol. Clear? Now suppose you have this kind of compound. Yeah, you can say you have this kind of haloalkanes. So what will be the product? Again, the reaction will be the same like your general reaction. Then product is CH3 CH CH3OH plus KBr. Clear? So this is your corresponding alcohol. And you can see here this carbon, yeah, this carbon is attached with directly to carbon and having the main group halogen. So this is also called the second degree haloalkanes. Clear? This is second degree alcohol reacting with the KOH to giving the alcohol and the KBr. Clear? This is a reaction of second degree haloalkanes. So what will have with the third degree haloalkanes? Clear? There is a first degree haloalkanes, second degree haloalkanes, and now you have the third degree haloalkanes. So what will have the third degree haloalkanes? The third degree haloalkanes is generally not give any alcohol. Clear? Let's see. So class, third degree haloalkanes. You have CH3C, CH3 and the Br reacting with the KOH aqueous. Clear? This third degree alcohol reacting with the aqueous KOH is not give your corresponding alcohol, it will give a alkane. It will give alkene. Clear? So alkene is CH3 C double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2. Clear? That means in third degree haloalkanes you are not getting any alcohol. Clear? That means this method is not for to prepare alcohol from the third degree haloalkanes. It will not form any alcohol by dehydrohalogenation. That means you can say due to dehydrohalogenation. The question comes in this manner: why we are not able to prepare alcohol from the third degree haloalkanes? The answer is due to dehydrohalogenation. Clear? Then third degree alcohol give the alkene. The 1 degree alcohol give 1 degree haloalkanes give very good yield of alcohol, as you see, and the second degree haloalkanes give the mixture of alkene and the alcohol. The some part of alkene is also formed in the second degree haloalkanes. Clear? And third degree haloalkanes is not to prepare alcohol. Clear? So this is the first method to prepare alcohol from the haloalkanes. Then the next. So next method we have to preparation of alcohol is by the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. You have one is the aldehyde and second is ketones. The reduction of these aldehydes give 1 degree alcohol. Clear? And the reduction of ketone will give the second degree alcohol. Clear? That means on the reduction of aldehyde comes 1 degree alcohol, and on the reduction of ketone give the second degree alcohol. Clear? And the reduction is done in the presence of the S2 PT, and you can take the LiAlH4, the lithium aluminum hydride, and a BH4 also. Clear? So aldehyde you have the RCHO. The CHO group is stand for the aldehyde. You are doing reduction. You can say this is the S2 PT, something you can take, or you have the lithium aluminum hydride. You can take NaBH4. Then the product is RCS2OH. RCS2 and OH. This is your 1 degree alcohol. It is clear? RCHO, RCS2, OH. Clear? Suppose you have a compound CH3, CHO. We are doing reduction in the presence of LiAlH4 and the compound is CH3, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2, OH. This is your 1 degree alcohol. Clear? RCHO, LiAlH4, in the presence of NaBH4, the product is come the 1 degree alcohol. Clear? So this is the easy method to prepare our alcohol from the aldehyde. Now next you have by the ketones. The ketone you have RCOR dash. You are doing the reduction in the presence of PT, LiAlH4 and NaBH4. So the product is the RCHOH and the R dash. This is your corresponding alcohol from the reduction of this ketonic compound. Okay? So let's take one examples. The CSA in this manner. The same form is here R, CO and the R dash. Clear? plus you have the H2 and you are taking lithium aluminum hydride and the compound will come this R CH OH and the CS3. So this is your alcohol from the ketone. R C CH H and OH. Clear? Like this one. So this is your alcohol. Clear? Very easy method to reduction of aldehyde and ketone. On the reduction of aldehyde, you will get 1 degree alcohol, and the reduction of ketone, you are getting the second degree alcohol. Second degree alcohol, the one carbon, second carbon directly attached to this main functional group, and this is the second degree alcohol. Clear? One important thing is there. The thing is the third degree alcohol. You are getting the 1 degree alcohol from the reduction of aldehyde. You are getting the second degree alcohol by the reduction of ketone. But what about the third degree? The third degree alcohol is not be prepared by the reduction of carbonyl compound. So you can write not prepared. Yeah, third degree alcohol is not prepared by reduction of carbonyl compound. Clear? That means third degree alcohols आप नहीं बना सकते हैं by the reduction of carbonyl compounds. Why it is happen? Let's see the mechanism in a short manner. Clear? And remember, third degree alcohol is not prepared by the reduction of carbonyl compound. So what is the mechanism involved in the preparation of, in the reduction of this carbonyl compound into alcohol? Clear? You are seeing very clearly this carbonyl compound firstly is attacked with the hydride ion. Hydride ion, that means that's negative. Clear? H negative, and then it will become the alkoxide ion. Clear? And this alkoxide ion is by the protonation of water. By the protonation simple, it will give the corresponding alcohol. Clear? That means the two steps are involved. The first thing is that by reacting with the hydride ion and form the alkoxide ion, and by the protonation it will give the alcohol. Clear? So let's see. So this carbonyl compound is firstly add with the hydride ion to form the alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion R dash, and this H is add here, H, and is become the O negative. Clear? This is called the alkoxide ion. Clear? And by the protonation, that means the protonation you are taking the H3O positive, and it will give the R dash, H, and OH. Clear? So this is your alcohol. That means what happened in the carbonyl compound? This is done by the addition of hydride ion to giving the alkoxide ion, and by the protonation it will give the alcohol. Clear? So you can say the preparation of third degree alcohol is not done by the reduction of carbonyl compound. So this is your second method to prepare alcohol by the reduction of aldehydes and ketone. But it will remember the reduction of aldehyde give 1 degree alcohol, and the reduction of ketone give the second degree alcohol. Now we will discuss the third types of method to prepare alcohol. This method we have the reduction of the carboxylic acid. Simply we are doing the reduction of carboxylic acid in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So carboxylic acid, you have the CH3 C double OH in the presence of Li Al H4, and obviously you are taking the H2O, and this carboxylic acid is reduced to alcohol, the CH3 CH2 OH. Clear? CH3, CH2, OH. Clear? So this is the reduction of carboxylic acid in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Clear? And simply you are getting the 1 degree alcohol. This is your 1 degree alcohol. But the reduction of this carboxylic acid in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride to giving alcohol, but this Li AnH4 is very expensive. Clear? Remember, this lithium aluminum hydride is very expensive, and it is only used to prepare the special kind of reagent. That means in the reduction of this carboxylic acid, we are not use this lithium aluminum hydride. So what we do? Firstly, we reduce our carboxylic acid in the ester, and then we'll get the alcohol. It is clear? That means in the I'm saying in the manner of the commercial uses. When we prepare this alcohol in commercially by this acetic acid, by the carboxylic acid, will not use this lithium aluminum hydride. Why? Due to their expensive properties. It is very expensive. So it will only used to prepare the special kind of reagent. So what we do? We do a simple things. We reduce this carboxylic acid firstly in the ester, and then we will get our alcohol. Clear? This is your alcohol. We are reducing it to convert in ester, RCOR, and we are taking the R-OH and the S positive for the reducing, and then it will convert in the ester. In the ester, and after ester, in the presence of sodium and the alcohol, it will give corresponding alcohol. Clear? This reduction is done in the presence of H2. Yeah, you can say this reduction is done in presence of catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation. Clear? Yeah, this reaction is called the catalytic. Yeah, in the presence of the catalytic hydrogenation, and this one is called the dehydro. Clear? The first step and the second step, and the reaction is doing in the presence of the catalytic hydrogenation. Clear? And called dehydrohalogenation. Clear? And you are getting this alcohol. Clear? So this is your third method to prepare alcohol from the reduction of the carboxylic acid. This is the very small things to remember. Ki in the reduction of carboxylic acid, we will use the catalytic hydrogenation to convert in ester, and then we'll get the 1 degree alcohol. Clear?